Shopify Motion Theme Customization. So customizing the Shopify Motion Themes can help you create a stunning and unique online store. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through a step-to-step guide to get started. So to get started, you have to access the theme. So to log in to your Shopify admin panel and go to the online store section and select themes, then click on customize next to the motion theme. Then from there, start by customizing the header section. You can also add your logo, adjust the navigation menu, and set up the announcement bar. And after that, you can edit your home page. So use the drag and drop editors to add and arrange section on your home page. You can include a slideshow, featured product, collections, and more. You can also go to the theme settings, then tap on the change the color, font, and other design element. You can also enable animation and other visual effects. Then also you can also edit the product page to include details, description, high quality image, and customers review. You can also enable the add to cart and buy now button if you want. Then after that, organize your products into a collection and customize the collection page to make it easy for customers to browse, and also add important links, social media icons, and contact information to the photos section. And after that, you can now simply preview and publish your themes. After that, once you are satisfied with the customization, preview your store to make sure everything looks good. Then after that, you can now click on publish to make your changes go live. And that's it. Find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more content like this.